What's going on, guys? So in today's video we are going to be checking out Z Truett 7_ new body Chevrolet that is very squatted, as you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm sure. Probably the most squatted new body Chevrolet I've seen, or newer truck, period. Usually it's the old like cat eyes, round bodies, '06 model Fords, stuff like that. But this is a new body, so I know this is going to be a love-hate thing. Some people are going to absolutely love it. Some people are going to really get triggered by it. So I know that's the case, but either way, stick here for the video if you did click on it. So if you're following me on Instagram, you probably already saw. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me, LMF's Crew. You probably already saw the Duramax got some wheels and tires. So that will be in tomorrow's video, but definitely leave me some feedback of what you think the old lower Duramax got. She's basically a little turtle at this point. It's freaking sick. Hopefully y'all will enjoy it. I know I'm absolutely loving it. So definitely look forward to that video tomorrow. So follow me on Instagram though, because I give little sneak peeks and stuff like that before it hits YouTube. But back to the topic. This guy's truck is currently sitting at a 9.5 inch in the front, drop shackles in the rear, no block, and the middle leaf spring removed. So he's fixing to go to one of the truck shows, like everybody has squatted trucks and stuff, so I guess he's gonna try to do it big. There's gonna be a majority of people that are really upset over this, but that's fine. So this is one of those trucks that maybe is a little too outlandish for me, but I can respect it enough to be totally fine with posting it on a Sunday showcase, because it's just a sweet truck. I mean, like I said, it's a little over the top for me as far as how much squat it's got, but I know there is people out there that love squatted trucks that much, and like I said, this is probably the most squatted new body style I've seen, so I know people want to see it. So I guess with all that being said, I'm gonna quit rambling. Let's just go ahead, check out this truck.